A classic American luxury vehicle is making a triumphant comeback with the 2025 Cadillac Coupe DeVille, which updates classic styling with cutting-edge engineering. The DeVille, with its classic good looks and innovative technology, quickly became a byword for American luxury after its 1949 debut. In keeping with its legendary heritage, the 2025 model incorporates cutting-edge features that appeal to modern-day fans of high-end automobiles. The outside design of the 2025 Coupe DeVille strikes a nice mix between traditional elegance and modern proportions. Its strong presence and lengthy, curving lines pay homage to the classic designs of yesteryear while updating it for the present era. Bright vertical LED headlights and a grille with chrome accents pay homage to the 1950s vehicles up front, while flush door handles and a clean line connecting the front fender to the back taillights define the slim side profile. The vehicle's posh and athletic appearance are enhanced by its large 22-inch alloy wheels. Two chrome exhaust tips, a spoiler built right in, and slender taillights make up the back end. The Coupe DeVille guarantees a head-turning appearance on the road with its stunning color options including Midnight Sapphire and Radiant Ruby. The Coupe DeVille's interior is a haven of modern luxury and technology. The use of high-quality materials such as genuine wood trim, brushed aluminum accents, and hand-stitched leather contributes to an air of refined elegance. The seats are ergonomically made for maximum comfort, with memory settings, massaging capabilities, and heated and ventilated front seats. Because of the coupe's elongated shape, the backseat passengers have plenty of legroom. The vehicle's rear hatch design, large cargo area, and adjustable ambient lighting make it ideal for lengthy journeys. The 2025 Coupe DeVille has state-of-the-art amenities. At its center, the dashboard features a 16-inch LED display that houses the most recent infotainment software from Cadillac. This software includes wireless options like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as an assistant from Amazon called Alexa. This vehicle is equipped with Cadillac's Super Cruise 2.0, which enables hands-free driving capabilities on certain highways. This includes features like automatic lane changes and aid during traffic jams. If you're an audiophile, you need the 20-speaker Elegance Studio reference system. With a 14-inch digital instrument cluster that the driver can personalize, they can stay informed with configurable displays for navigation, performance analytics, and augmented reality. A variety of powertrains are available for the Coupe DeVille. A 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6 engine with 400 HP is standard on the base model, but a 6.2-liter V8 with 650 HP is available on the performance grade. Both powertrains come with an automated 10-speed gearbox, and you can choose between rear or all-wheel drive. An all-electric version of the Coupe DeVille is also available for those who are concerned about the environment. This version has 500 horsepower and can go up to 400 miles on a single charge. With the electric model's quick charging technology, you can have 200 miles of range in as little as 20 minutes. The vehicle's responsive and smooth ride is guaranteed by its magnetic ride control 4.0 suspension, which also improves handling and agility thanks to its low center of gravity and adaptive steering. Starting at $70,000 for the base model, $90,000 for the sport trim, and $110,000 for the F-Platinum electric vehicle are the three potential trim levels for the 2025 Coupe DeVille. Every trim level showcases Cadillac's dedication to sustainability and innovation through its distinctive features and performance advancements. The electric version is no exception. You may add even more personalization with the optional packages, which include advanced driver assistance systems and a panoramic glass top.